My name is James Gilkison and I'm the chair of the 11th International Equine Infectious Disease Conference, which this year will be held in September, 100% online. We'd intended to hold this meeting in Deauville in 2020, which postponed it to 2021. And given the recent circumstances we've had with COVID, we thought the safest option was to transfer the meeting to be wholly online so that we can meet, discuss the latest innovations in equine infectious disease research, but in a safe manner. And given the various travel restrictions in different countries, we didn't see that there was any alternative. The program for this conference will include the latest research in equine infectious disease from experts in the field all around the world. We've also got a practitioner-focused program which will allow equine practitioners to hear about the latest advances in the field of equine infectious diseases.
These conferences provide the opportunity for those of us who work in the equine fields to gather together in order to not only share the latest information that we've generated from our laboratories, but the opportunity to introduce new students and new friends to our science.
Hi. Exotic diseases are still a worrying threat to the equine industry worldwide. Hence, diseases such as African horse sickness, Hendra virus infection, West Nile encephalitis, equine infectious anemia, and glanders, among others, are included in the scientific program. Save the date. Join us.
What you're going to hear from colleagues around the world during the Practitioners' Day is all about virus diseases of equids. You will hear what we do know and what we don't know about these virus diseases. Most importantly, how they cause disease and what we do in order to prevent or treat those virus diseases of horses. So please join us and learn the latest on these issues.
In this conference, I'm particularly looking forward to hearing the latest developments about equine herpes virus 1 and also liver viruses. Sessions during the Practitioners' Day will present state-of-the-art information and, importantly, emphasise the clinical relevance of the research data. We hope you can join us.
The quarantines, facility requirements, contingency plans, whatever, we have to deal with a lot of things in establishing and management of equine disease-free zones. Join the meeting and we can share the latest knowledge on biosecurity spoken by the world experts.
Join us to discuss strangles and infections with Streptococcus epidemicus, causing respiratory disease, abortion. Meet lots of people and set up new collaborations. It's going to be great fun. Hope to see you.
Get updated on the most recent developments in parasite diagnostics, drug resistance, treatment options, disease complexes, and most importantly, the current recommendations for parasite control in horses.
This meeting is a great opportunity for postgraduate, veterinary or PhD students to extend their knowledge, to meet potential new supervisors, or just to present their work. It is also for us the opportunity to share our passions with the next generation of scientists and veterinarians.
After our experience in 2020, I don't think anyone needs convincing about the importance of infectious disease research. I hope that you can join us online in September, and I look forward to seeing you there.